Hey there, looking to upgrade your beard care routine with quality natural products? Meet Striking Viking, a men's grooming brand dedicated to helping you maintain a strong, healthy, and stylish beard. And yes, I'll show you how to save big on their beard essentials. Striking Viking is known for its premium grooming tools and beard care products, designed for men who want their facial hair to look and feel amazing. Their lineup includes beard oils with argan, jojoba, and vitamin E, balms that condition and tame stray hairs, boar bristle brushes, and bamboo combs. Complete beard grooming kits for beginners and pros. So actually here you also have this section with all different products so you can take your time and scroll down, check whatever they has, read every different products contains each material so you'll be much more knowledge and I will understand more about it. Their products are also made from natural ingredients, so cruelty-free and come in elegant, giftable packaging. Many reviews praise them for fast results, softer beards, less itchiness, and a polished look without heavy scents. Perfect for daily care or gifting the bearded man in your life. To get your discount, use the referral link below. It unlocks deals like 15, 20 off your first order. Plus, you might find free shipping offers, seasonal bundles, or kit discounts. So, don't settle for a scruffy beard. Level up with Striking Viking and save while doing it.